Welcome to this FX Empire review of FxPro, an award-winning broker and the official partner of the McLaren F1 Team. As we can see here from the FxPro About Us webpage, the broker is actually authorized and regulated in multiple jurisdictions, including the Financial Conduct Authority, Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, Financial Sector Conduct Authority, and by the Securities Commission of the Bahamas. We can confirm the authorization and regulation by looking here at the CySEC register, where we can see the fxpro.com domain name is an approved domain name for FxPro Financial Services Limited. With FxPro, you can trade on more than 250 CFD financial instruments covering Forex, futures, indices, shares, metals, and energies. As we can see here on the foreign exchange trading page, it gives a lot of details regarding the actual instruments available to trade with, such as the average execution time, and if we scroll down, all the different currencies that are available to trade with, including all the major, minors, and some exotic currencies there as well. So a large selection of different foreign exchange markets available to trade on. By clicking on one of the currencies, it actually opens up to quite a useful page to show not only the spread, but also the swap short, swap long values, a chart, price chart, and a volatility chart. And as we scroll down as well, the trading conditions for this particular instrument, whether you're trading on CTrader, MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, which is the three trading platforms available. The broker also provides access to another trading platform called FxPro Edge. Users can actually see the difference between each of these platforms on the platform comparison table page. And as we scroll down here, you can actually see the differences between trading with FxPro on MetaTrader 4, CTrader, or the broker's own FxPro Edge trading platform. And we'll run through the trading platforms in more detail as we go further in this review. On the broker's Get Started page, they offer a 4-step process to open trading accounts. And if we scroll further down, we can actually see the different trading accounts available. Professional trading accounts, a live trading account, and a VIP trading account. On the live trading account, users can access 6 asset classes and over 250 instruments. And on the professional trading account, users can access higher leverage as well. FxPro provides some really good transparency regarding their trade execution. As we can see here, they operate a no dealing desk execution model. And as we scroll down, they actually provide a lot of detail regarding how they execute trades. And there's some full transparency here as well on slippage statistics, as well as recoat statistics as well. So quite useful information and a high level of transparency as well. The broker also provides access to fxpro.news, which is filled with different analysis on markets, crypto, Elliott wave, different calendars such as an economic calendar and an earnings calendar and a holidays calendar. You've got access to different quotes for different asset classes, and you can also access different tools such as different trading calculators. FxPro offers customer service via email, callback, and live chat 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. As we can actually see here, the live chat agent, I was connected to a live agent literally within a few seconds. And the broker also has the FxPro Help Center, which, as we can see in the background here, is full of different articles regarding the company, accounts, verification, different platforms, trading and execution, deposit and withdrawals, and many other features. So here we have the FxPro Edge trading platform, which is very simple to use, feature rich, and has nice clean functionality. As we can see on the left hand side, we have a tab here and the plus button where we can access order entries, we can create watch lists, open up new charts, view positions, history, instruments, ticker symbols, access fundamentals for different asset classes, economic calendar, and many other features here as well, such as news. So quite useful functionality there. You can also create new orders here by just simply clicking on create market order, and you've got market, limit, and stop loss. And as we can see here, you can access a quote table, and users can choose from different lists such as indices, okay, or FX majors, or just a list of favorite markets, okay, which includes different shares here such as Facebook and Apple, and different currencies. You can change the view here as well, and you can actually add different instruments. So you can actually see Forex majors, Forex minors, French shares. So lots of different things can be added to here, and you can click on Forex majors and see which markets are available. You can see UK shares and see which UK shares are available. So a wide variety of different asset classes here, and you can customize your trading platform You can see here lots of different commodities at the bottom as well. So user can change their views at this point, and you can also click on this instance, one-click trading, your different options, your trade mode, chart mode. Okay, you can access information as well regarding this instrument you're trading, such as commissions if they are applicable, swap long, swap short values. And you can also trade from here as well. You can open up a new chart, and this will open a new chart here on the right hand side, or you can change charts here as well in the chart window. And within the chart there's a lot of functionality. You can change different time frames from 1 minute charts all the way to monthly charts. You can change chart construct, candlesticks, Heikin-Ashi, line charts as well. You can add text boxes, and you've got cursors here as well. You've got different drawing tools such as trend lines, Fibonacci levels as well. And you can add different indicators as well to the chart. So nice and simple to use. Users can also trade from this chart as well, and click on the buy button here. And if you're doing it for the first time, it will open up the quick trade settings for single click, double click, or whether you want that to be disabled or not. And once you've settled with that, if I just click apply here, you can see that's opened up a trading ticket already. And if I click on that, I can actually drag a stop loss down, and I can drag a take profit up. So very, very simple to use functionality here, and I can simply close a trade here at the bottom. And very fast execution as well. Now let's have a look at the mobile trading app provided by FxPro. FxPro provides the ability to trade on multiple mobile trading apps, including MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, as well as its own FxPro Edge trading platform as well. These can all be downloaded via the App Store for Android or iOS operating systems. Here we have the MetaTrader 4 mobile trading app provided by FxPro. And as we can see here, we've got access to different quotes. So we can see there the spread there on Euro-Dollar, 1.7 pips, pound against US dollar, 1.9 pips. If we click the pencil icon here at the top and the plus icon, we can see the different asset classes that are available to trade with that we can add to the watch list as well. If we go back to this quote window and highlight Euro-Dollar, we can actually open a new order, open a chart, symbol properties. If we open a chart here, we can actually see we've got different features such as changing the time frame. We can change the asset class from here as well, and we can also add different indicators on as well, such as moving averages and all the most popular used indicators, Bollinger Bands, MACD, and many others. Traders can also trade from here as well by clicking the plus icon here at the top, and this provides instant execution, limit and stop orders as well. And users can simply press buy or sell here, and that order has now been opened, and this will open up to the trading window, and users can actually hold down on this trade and modify the order and actually put in stop losses, take profit levels as well. They can also close the order and put a new order in as well. So I can close order. This will provide it with this window, and then simply close a trade. So very, very simple to use. And that really wraps up this FX Empire review of FxPro. We hope you found it to be of value, and wish you all the best in your trading.